exclusive distributor for UniView Technologies. We offer a full range of IP and PTZ cameras. Our whole range of products include NVRs, VMS solutions, PoE switches, display monitors, LED panels, TV walls, as well as our latest heat tracking solutions. Our products are NDAA certified. Let's take a look at our product lineup. For starters, we have a full line of IP cameras. They range from full-size bullet cameras, turret cameras, mini domes, mini bullets, and full-size domes. We also have a wide selection of NVRs. We also do have a wide array of full-size PTZ cameras, as you can see here. This particular one is a PTZ camera which has a built-in laser. This camera can see 1,500 meters in the pitch black darkness. After a certain distance, it will kick on the IR laser and you can see in very dark conditions. It is a very popular camera for low light conditions. Some of our newer technologies I will show. We do have a Wi-Fi selection you will see up on the right here. These are Wi-Fi cameras, so you can see this is a Wi-Fi kit. This is 4 cameras, and you can see they're all connected on this monitor here. This is a newer device which is called our Cube camera, and we also have our Unicorn solution here. This is like our VMS or CMS solution, so virtualized management system or centralized management system. It's an all-in-one, we call it Unicorn. Over here we have some new products. This is a smart board. It comes with a pen here. This is great for schools or anything like that. You can, it does have full Wi-Fi technology, so you can browse the website. It is obviously all fully touch screen. You can actually write on it as well. So, I can grab the pen here that's on the front of the TV and I can just start writing here. So, this is great for teaching students in a classroom or university, college classroom. Has many functionalities. It has many HDMI inputs and also HDMI output, but it is fully touchscreen as you see there. Another piece of technology we're going to show you is our Easy Station software. This is our remote monitoring software which a security guard or an individual can monitor many different remote sites. This software is very robust and very feature rich. It does have many features. You can do live view, playback. You can also show a wide array of cameras on a video wall, which you saw me stand in front of our video wall earlier in this video. It does have all your alarm records, which will give you monitoring. I'll just show alarm records quickly here. The alarm records, you can actually see them rolling in. It will show the alarm level. Level 1 will be much more serious than a level 5 alarm. We also do have a live view here, which I can show. We do have a dual monitor setup on this PC, so I'm actually going to grab the live view and drag it onto the second monitor here. So as you can see, you can have many different cameras showing on this monitor and also on this monitor. I can also change the layout display to show up to 64 cameras. And as you can see, 64 cameras would be displayed if I had 64 running there. When you do double click each camera, it will bring it up in full screen and full resolution. You can also set up custom views, so you can show all your favorite views, for example. Over here, we do have many different cameras, which I will go through here. We have our license plate recognition bullet camera. So this is our only camera in our lineup specifically designed to catch license plates. Day or night, lights directed right at the camera will also catch the plates. This is our AI NVR. As you can see here, it's catching people's faces as they walk by, and it will also tell you the total amount of people and the count, abnormal count and all that. It does have a firmware, so you can also use it as a temperature control unit with our TIC 2531, which is this camera here. This camera works in conjunction with our black body unit, which is at the back of the room over there, and that gives you a much more accurate temperature when you're trying to catch people's temperature as they walk into a place. This is also one of our newer cameras. This is our panoramic 180-degree camera. This is 4 2-megapixel lenses, and they're all in one camera, and they're all stitched together to make it one seamless image. This camera has exceptional quality at nighttime. This camera is also one of our newer cameras. This is our outdoor mini deterrence PTZ camera. It does have a siren on top. It also does have a built-in microphone and speaker, so you can have two-way communication. It also does have auto tracking, which is a very nice feature. This one here is our indoor-only mini PTZ, 5 megapixel, has an indoor microphone and indoor speaker, so you can also have two-way communication. This camera also has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can hook it up remotely. It doesn't need to be connected to a cable. This is our LED display unit. This can be put together, in many different formations of this display here, and you can make a giant advertising display. The nice thing about this is, once you have some LEDs that die, you can basically just take out a panel like so, and you replace it with a new panel. So you don't need to take the whole thing off for service. You can just replace it. Very nice system, and they come in different pixel formations, so you can get a cleaner, higher resolution display or a lower resolution display. This here is our CW180. This is for checking people's temperature as you come into a unit or dwelling or any storefront. You would walk up to the unit and it will say, please expose your wrist. You put your wrist in front and it will tell the temperature. So my temperature is good at 36.3 degrees. It will take a snapshot. It will tell you the count for today: normal 3, alarm 0, total 3, and total cumulative count, for how many people have gone through this system, and it tells you the detection start time. It's a great unit. It can provide mobile alerts to your cell phone, so you don't have to always have somebody watching this unit. We also do have this unit here, which is a metal detector system with a built-in temperature reading system. This is our OET213H, so this can also be integrated into your access control system. And it can open mag locks or electronic door strikes, stuff like that. A lot of companies are now using these to make sure their employees do not have an elevated temperature when they come into work. So basically you would walk up to the unit and it'll take your temperature. If everything was good, you would walk right in to the building. It would unlock the electronic door strike or mag lock and allow you in. So basically this does have a integrated card reader on the bottom. It will take snapshots. It has a temperature reader on it, and it can tie into your weekend outputs to your existing HID card access system. This is a metal detector unit, so this you would generally see at an airport or something like that. It will check you for any weapons, metal, anything like that. So I'll walk through it. So it tells me I have normal temperature. It's telling me to wear a mask. Now I can walk through the metal detection security gate. The nice feature about this gate is it does have lights on the other side, which will show me anywhere, or show the security guard anywhere where there's metal on one's body. As you can see, you have lights on both sides. So if somebody tried to smuggle, say, something, a metal object in their sock or their shoe, only the bottom portion of the lights is going to light up. So it's a very nice unit. Moving along here, this is our OTC-513 unit. This is kind of like our OET-213H, but this does not take your picture. This is just strictly to take one's temperature as they come into facility. So you would just put your hand at the side and it would take your temperature. 36.4, it will say I have a normal temperature and I can proceed. So this is good for anyone that has any privacy concerns. You do not want people's picture taken and stuff like that. It's just strictly for taking one's temperature. Now, I will talk about this unit here. I have another one here. This unit here is our Handheld Uni2168A. This is our professional thermal imager. You can use this as a handheld unit, or you can see it is mounted on a tripod here. So this is generally implemented at the entrance of a building or workplace or old age home. We find a lot of old age homes use this type of system, and it will run on the tripod and it will detect anyone that comes through with an elevated temperature, and it will provide a visual alarm or a audible alarm if somebody has an elevated temperature. It's a great little unit. It runs on battery and it is very good for doing quick deployment, moving it around to different spots. Nice little unit. So from here, I would like to show you our Standalone OET213H. It's out here. So we're going to show you our OET213H. This unit is exceptional for getting one's temperature and also using it as facial recognition. So you can see the verification was succeeded. It wants me to check my temperature. Low temperature. So I have a proper temperature I can pass into the workplace. And again, you can integrate that with your access control system. This here is our TV wall solution. You can see here it's 4 screens put together to make one giant TV screen. You can actually make it much bigger than this by adding many more screens. This here works superbly with our VMS solution, our Unicorn. We have our in-house technical support team that is always ready to assist you in solving any issues you may have. From 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time, available in English and French. We have our local warehouse for fast shipping and deliveries, so let us take care of your home and business surveillance needs. For information on our latest products and offerings, please follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. For any unboxing and demonstration videos, please visit our YouTube channel or our website at www.petawise.com. Thank you very much for visiting Petawise.